Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. May Allah save you from all the evils and diseases. Today we will do the grammar topic, types of sentences. Okay, there are four types of sentences. Number one, simple or declarative sentences. These are the most basic type of sentences and usually ends in full stop. For example, the boy walked home. Number two is the imperative sentences. These are the sentences which tells someone to do something. Normally they ends with a full stop, but sometimes they ends with an exclamation mark. Number three is the interrogative sentences. As the name shows, they ask questions and ends with a full stop. For example, whose dog is that? Number four is the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are used to show different emotions. And they also ends in an exclamation mark. For example, how well he sings. Okay, today our focus of learning is imperative sentences. So let's see what are the imperative sentences in detail. Imperative sentences are the sentences which do not simply state a fact but rather tell someone to do something. This can be in the form of friendly advices, basic instructions, or forceful commands. Normally, all the imperative sentences begin with a verb, for example, shut the door. Now, see here, the verb is in the start, like shut. Most of the imperative sentences ends in periods, that is full stop. For example, please sit down. Now see, there is a full stop at the end of the sentence. But some more forceful demands may end in an exclamatory point. For example, I need you to sit down now. Here, the speaker is forcing someone to sit down, so it ends with an exclamation mark. Now you can see some examples. Get some papers. Now see, this is a command. Don't leave the door unlocked. An advice. Go to work. An order. Go and see the movie. Suggestion or a friendly advice. Put some oil in the salad. This is an instruction. Now let's go for some activities. Activity number one. Write examples of imperative sentences using the given keyword topic. Example. So our example keyword is homework, and I'm going to make the sentence for you. Make sure to finish your homework before you go to bed. The rest of the sentences you have to make by yourself. Football, you have to make the sentence by yourself. It should be an imperative sentence. The next word is trash, friends, and paper. Now come to activity number two. Here are some sentences. You have to convert them or change them into imperative sentences. Number one, the door is open. You may write it like this: open the door. The chair has been moved to the wall. Move the chair to the wall. Both sides of writing papers can be used. Use both sides of writing papers. Old t-shirts can be used as rags. Use old t-shirts as rags. So students, you have to do this work on your English grammar copies and write your name at the top right corner of your copy and send it in the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.